guys, if you're new to my channel, please help me subscribe and like, give your comment. And today's video is all about this hair. I just made this hair, guys. It's looking nice. And if you're new, please subscribe. Help me subscribe, like and share. About this hair, and once again, welcome. I have a lot of videos and I have a lot of experiences of things that I'm gonna share with you. And guys, help me subscribe, and if you love this video, you love this hair, just write for me. If you really need it, make your order. I will make it for you the way you want. If you want tall, you want short, you want your style, any style you want. So guys, well, yeah guys, I'm using black color, and that's the braids I'm going to use to make this fitting braid. And guys, I want you to watch and see. This is number one, the color number one. Yeah, you can see it's very long, and my client who really need that type of hair, she told me I should make it long. So I really made her choice and she loved it. And guys, I want you to watch the video. Yeah, see, I'm going to use a thread in this to make them down, to braid them all. So after, then I can use a needle to make the, yeah, you can see. Yeah, I've started by feeding them to make it long and long and long and long. So I want to make it long. So I think I'm not going to show you all. So here, this is my manicured head, and I've already made my closure. I already make my closure on that. So you guys, you can just see that, and that's how I'm going to make it. So I'm going to fix all the braids I braided here with a pin. I will pin them down to see the style I wanted to make. So after, then I will use a needle to thread them down, to make it down. So yeah, you can see and watch. So I'm going to make all this like this, down you can watch. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it, and all over. Then I will try to, yeah guys, to continue. I'm not going to make it long. I'm just gonna stop here. You can watch the rest and see until the part I'm making. Then I will show you how I'm fixing it with the needle. So bye bye, see you. Yeah guys, I'm fixing it now. I'm fixing it all down. Yeah, that's the style, and you guys see and watch. And I've already made the baby hair, and I'm going to just trim up the hair, that is the extra hair that is been showing. So I will cut them all, and I put in hot water. I'm not gonna show it all to you guys because I have a previous video the same style. So you just have to watch this and see. Yeah, thank you, and please help me subscribe, like, and give your comment, and also make your order. If you want the same style or any style you want, you just give it to me there and I will get it to you. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Love you all, guys.